my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video.
Sairam!
What? Golden words are not repeated.
Hello, namaste. You asked me to cut money because you'll be upside down in water. Literally. Like this. Excuse me. Please cooperate in your Please cooperate.
Yasmin pose. Innond pose.
పప్పులాంటి అబ్బాయి
What about your pose, huh? Hey, Henry, what about your pose?
Like this. I can also. ಅప్పుడు ನಾಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಇಟ್ಟ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅದು ನೀವು ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗಿರ ಐಫೋನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿ
ನೀನು ಐಫೋನ್ ತಗೋ ಯಾರು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರು
ಕಾಸಿಲ್ಲ ನೋ ಮನಿ very small, it won't fit the Yasmin size. Go fast tag. Hey, don't post. Put it on Instagram. Respect. Resort ಇದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮರಿ ಫಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನು ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀನು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಕನ್ನಡలో చెప్పు
Synthetic ಬಟ್ಟೆಗೆ
ಬಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಕಾದು సింథటిక్ బట్టే
ಬಟ್ಟೆ
అయ్యా నమస్కారం
Oh my God! Wow!
పప్పులాంటి అబ్బాయి
హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్ వెల్కమ్ టు వండర్లా
అలాంటి గతి మీకు పట్టకుండా దేవుడు సలహా చూస్తాడు ధర్మం చేయండి బాబు
వాళ్ళు వేస్తారు ఉండమ్మా
ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ
For me also.
What's your street name, sir?
Appu.
Where are you from, sir? Bangalore only, sir. Bangalore. Yeah. Bangalore.
Thank you.
And now Martha is You can buy this thing for phone.
Lift off in T-minus 2 minutes and count.
ಜೋಶ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್
ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಟೆಡನ್ ಟೆಡನ್ ಟೆಡನ್
go on, then we'll come. Hey, Jasmine.
ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ
ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಉಮಾ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಪ ತುಂಬ ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು നല്ല ರೀಚ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ നല്ല ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ದೇರ್ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ಜೀಸಸ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್
ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್
Joshua, we can see your village Kadapa. See their mountains.
What shall we do? Shall we go there or go to water?
ವಾಟರ್
Huh?
ವಾಟ್
ನಾವು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಮ್ಮ.
ఎట్లా ఉంది కావ్య వండర్లా ట్రిప్ ఓకే జోష్వా ఎట్లా ఉండింది వండర్లా ట్రిప్
Also see all this
Awesome. హలో దినేష్ గారు మీ ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉండింది
Good, good, very good.
యాస్మి హౌ వాజ్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ హలో సార్ హౌ వాజ్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఆన్సర్
It was really good. But the thing is, we did not go for the wave. If you gone for the wave, Yasmin will be upside down. But
ಈಗ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್
so it was a great experience. We miss all our peoples like Umar, Pawan, Manoj, Dhanush, Navat, mainly Navata. We really miss them. Even Sufrit also, Sufrit Gowda. ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ
ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಸೋ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಸ್ರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಎಂಜಾಯ್
yes a lot enjoyed with the comfort people lot of love lot of even Aparna
ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್
we really enjoyed hope you like this video. Please do share, subscribe and support Uma's channel. Let it grow and let's keep it to grow. Thank you. Signing off, Uma Gowda. Hey. Once in a while experience.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್